Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to your geography class, Environment of Pakistan, and 2059 is your paper code, is it? Okay, my name is Tuba. Let's start with the name of Allah, sallallahu alaihi wa sallam, sallallahu alaihi wa sallam, sallallahu alaihi wa sallam. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alaihi wa sallam, sallallahu alaihi wa sallam, sallallahu alaihi wa sallam. Okay, students, natural topography is our first chapter, and we are going to study part 2. What will be in part 2? Good. So here it will be Western Mountains, and we are going to study about four types of ranges here: Safed Ko and Waziristan Hills, and Sulaiman and Kirthar ranges. So let's start with Safed Ko range. Firstly, we will learn about location of this range. It is located at Pak-Afghan border in an east-west direction south of Kabul River. East-west of south of Kabul River. So you have to learn it critically. Then they look like snowy white mountains. In the picture that I have used in background is of Safed Ko range. So these are white mountains. Why? Because they are covered with snow. So if we are talking about mountain, so we have to learn about its altitude. Uh, Average altitude of Safed Ko range is 4,172 meters, and it must have a highest peak, is it? So the highest peak of Safed Ko range is Mount Sikkim, and its height is 4,761 meters. Mount Sikkim, keep in mind. Safed Ko, Mount Sikkim is the highest peak. Important passes of this range are Khyber and Kurram, and important rivers are Kabul and Kurram. And some other important features of Safed Ko range are Vale of Peshawar and Kohat Valley are located in east of these mountains. So, if we are talking about any region, we must know about its economic potentials and the activities that are done to earn that money. Farming is done by irrigation over there, and wheat, rice, and sugarcane are cultivated. Fertile alluvial plain is irrigated by canals originating from Varsak Dam on Kabul River. These are the economic and economical activities, how the people who are living over there are earning their livelihood. Next one is the location, that how we have to learn the location and take an image of this location in your mind so that you can learn it. Here, Pak Afghan border. Okay, you know Afghanistan is over there. Which province is this? KPK. And Kabul is running from Afghanistan to Pakistan here. Okay, from here it is running. This is east west, okay, of south of Kabul River. Next one is Waziristan Hills, located in south of Safed Kor range between Kurram and Kabul rivers. Its average altitude is 3,513 meters. Its important passes are Tochi and Gomal, and very interestingly, its important rivers are also named as Tochi and Gomal. Next important feature of this range is Valley of Bannu, and Valley of Bannu is located to east of these hills. Deposits of clay boulders brought down by rivers. Kurram Dam on Kurram River is main source of irrigation. It means agriculture is also possible there. If they have talked about irrigation, it means agriculture is also going on. Location, as I have told you, that it is found in south of Safed Ko. Here it was Safed Ko range, is it? So this is south of Safed Ko range. It means this location is correct. Now the next range is Sulaiman range. It is located towards west of River Indus. Average height is 1500 meters, and Takht Sulaiman is highest peak with height of 3383 meters. Takht Sulaiman is the highest peak of which range? Sulaiman range. Limestone and sandstone are rich minerals. Clear? Due to barren rock, vegetation is less. Next one is Kirthar Range. It is located in south of Quetta. Syntaxis Zarhun knot. Now, what is Syntaxis Zarhun knot? It is complex mass structure, triangular in shape, lying between Suleiman and Kirthar ranges. So, Kirthar range is located in the south of Quetta. Syntaxis Zarhun knot. Now, its average altitude is 2,174 meters, known as Nagan Range in north. The local name of this Kirthar range in northern areas is Nagan Range, and it is backed by pub ranges in south. Bolan Pass is important link between Quetta and Kachi Sibbi Plain. Now I have a look on the location of mountain ranges. Sulman Range, it is colored blue. So here it is. Okay, in the west of River Indus. This is River Indus that is flowing, and this is west of River Indus. And where we have talked about Quetta syntaxis, Zarhun not. So this is Quetta. Clear? Now the drainage pattern of western mountains is River Sawat drains into Kabul, which joins Indus at Attock. Now, River Kurram joins with Tochi to drain in Indus. Zob River joins Gomal and drain into Indus River. So, this is how from Kabul to Indus River water is flowing. Jazakallahu khair.